Good evening, everyone. We're live. Thank you for joining us today. Please, let's do a quick mic check before we start the event proper. You're here in the room. Ajibike CG, please unmute yourself now and say hello. Let's hear you. Let's be sure you can hear us clearly.
Hello.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
Good evening. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, how is the sound over
How
there?
are
Is
you?
it clear? I'm fine, thank you. We're good.
Yes, very clear.
Okay, thank you for the confirmation. We're waiting for others to join the room tonight.
All right.
Infinix X5010. That's my very own brother. Thank you for coming. Good evening, sir.
God bless you, sir.
Okay, good to hear your voice. Good. How are you today?
Oh, bless God. God is so faithful.
That's good. We are streaming live on Facebook right now, and this is live, and we are starting right away. There is no African time here, so getting straight to business. Okay. Yes, everyone, this is presenting Forsage, an opportunity that's changing lives all over the world. And today we are live again today to bring you into this world of massive unlimited earnings, where you enjoy wealth and create a future for yourself, your family, and your world. My name is Martin Hussein from Ethereum Institute, and we're proud to be a part of this global transformation. You can see right here, over 2,000 people are joining Forsage every day, worldwide. It is massive. If it's not working for them, they won't join Forsage. They won't join Forsage if it's not working for them. They are making tremendous transformation. What you can see here is Ethereum. Ethereum cryptocurrency blockchain technology is the one anchoring this project. Everything is run inside the Ethereum network. Okay? That's what we're going to be talking about today. You're going to be seeing more of this. What's Forsage? Forsage is the first ever 100% decentralized Bitcoin project. And it was created by this man right here, Lado. Mr. Lado and his team, they came about this project and they designed it for the people. It's a project that was designed for the people to enjoy massive wealth right from the confines of their homes, right from using their mobile phones and doing what they know how to do best every day. It's as simple as that. We are going to be digesting everything so that you understand proper what Forsage is all about and why you should jump on this opportunity. If you're looking for an excuse, you always find one. If you are looking for an opportunity, you also will always find one. What does this mean? Opportunities and excuses live with us every day. They are around us every single day. Okay? So what that means is that you need to decide which one to choose. Are you going to live your life with opportunity, with excuses, the reason why you can't do something? You must always find the reason why. Of course, there are challenges every day all around us, but you need to step out and tell yourself, I can't be limited by these walls. I need to go out and do the extraordinary, do the things, look for opportunities, and when they come, I take it. You take it without looking back. That's what makes you a great man and a great woman. Forsage earns you Ethereum every day. Every single day ends you Ethereum. There is no holidays for Forsage. Sundays, Mondays, all around the week you earn Ethereum. You have to position yourself to earn Ethereum every day. In Forsage, there is no scam. Forsage has come to stop anything called scam in online businesses, online engagements. That's why Forsage has come to stop scam, to remove scam, eliminate scam, delete scam from the system. Okay, so that when you are transacting online, you are doing it seamlessly. Forsage is a long-term project on the Ethereum smart contract. That means it spans into the future. It's not just today and tomorrow. No, it spans into the future. This is powerful. In Forsage, you can create your own future. So it's all in your hands. It all determines what you want from an opportunity that has come to your doorstep right now. Okay, we are moving from cash to crypto today. COVID-19 is changing the way the world sees money. Of course, the COVID-19 pandemic is making cash-based societies all over the world sink into oblivion with the help of decentralized technology. This is true and is confirmable. All over the world, we can see what COVID has turned the world into. Economies are shaking. People don't even know what to do anymore. Their finances have gone down. The hopes are crashing. But in the midst of this chaos, there is order. This is what I want you to know. There is order. In the midst of every chaos, every trouble, there is still order. This is a time when people begin to think deep into what they can do, what they can produce. Even in the midst of COVID-19, people are earning millions of dollars and thousands of dollars through Forsage. So what about you? Will you let this COVID go into your account and go into your pocket and limit you and trap you down in one position? So today, you are going to be deciding what you want to do. Which is why we are here today. Okay? Now let's move on. The blockchain. What is the blockchain in simple words? In the simplest terms, blockchain can be described as a data structure that holds transactional records while ensuring security, transparency, and decentralization. You can also think of it as a chain of records stored in the form of blocks. Okay, you see those blocks right there? Data are stored in them, which are controlled by no single authority. The reason why governments are looking to blockchain now, banks are looking to blockchain, countries, even developed countries in the world, they are already employing this in their financial structure, is because of its transparency. The security inside of blockchain is second to none. Okay, is second to none. Bitcoin is the biggest and the largest cryptocurrency, the first that was created, okay, by Satoshi. Launched in 2009, the price of Bitcoin remains a few dollars for its first few years. It was nothing to write home about. Nobody knew about it. It didn't have any relevance. The price reached a peak at nearly $20,000 per Bitcoin in late 2017 and has since fluctuated a bit, averaging at about 7,000 as of April this year. I speak with you now, Bitcoin is around $10,000–$11,000. Okay, so that means money for those who hold Bitcoin. Those who took advantage of it when it came and bought Bitcoins today are billionaires and millionaires of dollars. They control wealth in this world today. Now Ethereum is an open source platform that uses blockchain technology to create and run decentralized digital applications called dApps and enable users to make agreements and conduct transactions directly with one another, selling products and goods and services without a middleman. That is the core of Ethereum. That is what makes it very beautiful. Okay, makes it different from other cryptocurrencies. Okay, it has the ability to handle smart contracts. That feature is what Forsage is built upon. All right. China today is dumping US dollars that declared Bitcoin and Ethereum as legal tender in China. So you should be looking into Ethereum. If you haven't considered Ethereum, look into Ethereum, because right now you can see the coin cap market, the top 100 cryptocurrencies. Ethereum is number 2. Bitcoin is number 1. And the beautiful thing about Bitcoin and Ethereum is that they move in the same direction. Okay, don't mind my voice. I have some little cold, but we'll get through. All right, nothing can hold us from making progress. Now, Ethereum, second largest cryptocurrency. It has the most developers than any other cryptocurrency. That's Bitcoin right there, and this is Ethereum. It has the most developers, people who can tweak things within the core of Ethereum and bring out something new. Okay, they advance the system every day. They work on Ethereum every day to make sure that this decentralization is at its peak in Ethereum blockchain. You can see the market analysis of Ethereum. In 2018, Ethereum hit a peak at around $1,400. And right now, analysts are projecting in the market, experts are talking about $2,000 within the next 12 to 24 months. What does that tell you? Right now, we are here, 2020. 2021, 2022, who knows what's going to be? That is an opportunity for you and I to look deep into considering this opportunity called Forsage. Suppose you could make 3 to 4 digits a week, paid instantly from anywhere. There is a Wi-Fi or internet access, simply by learning a few new skills, then sharing your success with others. What skill would that be? Would you grab the opportunity to learn such a skill? That's what I'm asking you today, because that is what this webinar is all about. We are equipping right now with the skill set to grab the future, to create a future that you've always longed for, you've always desired. How smart contracts could change the way we do business today. This was reported by Forbes, one of the biggest papers out there. Smart contract is changing the way people do business this day, because people want transparency, they want security, they want fairness in their transactions. They want the transactions. Next generation business program for success is smart contract. What is a smart contract? We're going to be delving into it right now. Let me explain to you, excuse me, what a smart contract is. On February 6, 2020, Forsage became the world's first ever cryptocurrency matrix project to deploy a self-executing smart contract on the Ethereum blockchain. The smart contract is part of a globally distributed network, and its operations and transactional data are managed by multiple member computers. As such, there is no central authority governing the operations of the project, because it was created by the people for the people. What that means is that nobody can wake up tomorrow and say, I want to change the policies of Forsage. I'm no longer involved. Let me just run away with people's money. It will never happen in Forsage. It cannot happen. The government cannot stop Forsage, because the government cannot stop Ethereum. They cannot stop the blockchain. They cannot stop Forsage. Inherent features of Ethereum blockchain smart contract means that any unauthorized attempt to modify the smart contract or its transactional records is not possible. It's just not possible, because the decentralization of these records will be rejected on the basis of data inconsistencies in previous copies of. As a matter of fact, when a smart contract is sent into the Ethereum core, it is locked in forever. The creators of a program cannot modify it. Nobody can change it. That is an advantage. That is what secures both ends, okay, both parties in the smart contract. Ethereum smart contract is a computer program, a bit like an app on your phone. It exists on the Ethereum blockchain. It contains functions and rules. Once uploaded, these rules cannot be changed. The developers cannot run away with our money. How beautiful that sounds, man. The developers cannot shut it down. The website, Forsage is not even a website. Okay? It's a code. As a matter of fact, it runs inside the Ethereum. So even if Forsage website is going through maintenance, you and I can still do business because it is a blockchain that handles transactions. It's completely decentralized. Our money is sent directly to our wallet. No approval, no request. It's all 100% automatic, 100% legit, 100% transparent, 100% safe. It's scam proof. No one can run off with your money. Matter of fact, there is no scam in Forsage. You are rest assured, both parties are protected by the smart contract. It's self-sustaining and it is completely decentralized. 100% self-sustaining and decentralized. 5 reasons to be in Forsage. You work from your home, brothers and sisters. Low investment to start, just 0.05 Ethereum. High profitability. You can earn as much as you want in Ethereum. Unlimited earnings, thousands and millions of dollars. Low risk, easy and simple to master. Okay? In February 2020, that was when Forsage started, and since then it has been affecting lives. It has been changing lives all around the world, putting smiles in people's faces, and families are happy. That's why over 2,000 people are joining Forsage every single day worldwide. Over 2,000 people, it is recorded and confirmed, are joining this project from all around the world. So what are you waiting for? So how does Forsage work? You need roughly $15 in Ethereum. Pardon me, I just have to laugh over this because I'm so excited. Around 0.05 plus a little bit for fees. There are 2 ways to make money in Forsage. You have the X3 and you have the X4. Okay? You have the X3, take note of that, and you have the X4. All right? You're wondering what is X3 and X4? What are these terms? How do I understand this? What do they mean? X3, X4. Okay, now open your eyes. The X3 program. Here, you have yourself here where you come into Forsage. Okay? You have yourself here. This person here comes into the business under you. Okay? When they come into the business under you, you have these first 3 here comes to the business under you. In other words, anything, any investment this person makes, okay, you earn 100% of it. All right. You see, there are 3 circles right here under you that these people come under. Okay. Let me explain like this. This is you. Is your downline. Somebody who you introduce into this business. All right. And this person takes this position here. Okay. When this person ends on this position here, it goes 100% to you. It goes 100% to you. The next person comes under you, also goes 100% to you. The third person here that comes under in the business goes to your upline, who introduced you to the business, to Forsage. Okay. Now, when this person goes out and tells people about Forsage, tell them about the business, and they come in as well, what that means is that he has 2 people, okay, under him, and those 2 people, when they come in with Ethereum, all right, they also earn, and he also earned 100%. And this third person here, the earning goes back to you as the upline as well to recycle him into the business. So open that opportunity for him to earn again in the business. Okay. So here is a clearer picture of what I was trying to explain. This is you right here. Okay. This is your downline who comes under you into the business. Okay. The first 2 people he brings to the business goes directly to you. All right. The next 3 here, this is the X4 system. The next 3 here that he earns goes directly to his own account. And this last one here that he earns goes directly to you to recycle him in this business. It empties the account again for him to earn over and over and over again. That's what it does. That's the X4 system. That's how the X4 works. We'll explain further. You come into the business, okay? You tell 3 people about your investment in Forsage, about your contribution to the community. These 3 people that you tell about your business, the first 2 goes to your upline, right? This one here invest, this one here comes in, and this third one here comes in. The first 2 here goes to your upline. Why this one here, the first 2 goes to your account, sorry. Why this third person here goes to your upline. On the X4, the structure is a little bit bigger. There are 6 positions, okay? 2 lines. You have line 1, you have line 2. This is you right here. You bring these people into the business, all right? On the X4, there is something called spillover and overflow. They can be your direct referrals. The system can put them under your structure, okay? Because the X4 program gives you opportunity to earn that spillovers and overflows from your downlines and your upline in the business. These 2 earnings here go straight to you, okay? These 2 here and this one here, these 3 goes to you as well. This 2 goes to your upline, the 3 goes to you, and this last leg here goes to your upline as well as reinvestment for this circle for you. The earning in Forsage is just unlimited. You may ask yourself, how many slots can I activate in Forsage immediately? You can activate as many slots as you desire. The more slots you activate, the more Ethereum you can earn, so you don't miss out on partners, okay, who upgrade before you, or matrix spillovers. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. When you bring people into the business, for example, and they upgrade to higher levels and higher slot before you, you could miss out because you have not upgraded to those levels, okay? So that's basically how it works. You can activate as many slots automatically as you want. Now, let's use real estate to explain something to you. This is X3. Let's say this is a plot of land, very vast area of land. And these are buildings inside those into those land, like an estate. And you come as an investor, you buy up these buildings. You pay for building 1, building 2, building 3, building 4, building 5 with different values of Ethereum. The first one here is 0.025, 0.05, 0.1, 0.2 Ethereum, 0.4 Ethereum, 0.8, all the way down to 51.2 Ethereum, which is around $19,000 today. Okay? What that means is that when you buy these buildings, they have 3 boys' quarters. Okay? The boys' quarters are going to be occupied by tenants, people who are going to pay you for the rest of your life. Remember, when you buy the building, you buy it once, you don't buy it again. So any slot you activate on X-Ray is activated once and for all. You don't activate it a second time. Okay? So when tenants come and occupy these buildings, these boys' quarters, you get paid. For example, you see this blue here have been occupied by tenants on the X3. You get paid 100% of the money they come into the business with. 100% of the money they come into the business with, okay? That's 100% goes into your account. This last one here, the last slot here, goes to your upline on the X3. The X3 program is highly recommended for those who can market, those marketers, people who have large follower base, who can really recruit people, okay, into this business. Because everything you earn, 100% goes to you instantly, right? And this last one here goes to your upline for referring to the business. Let's say, for example, here is 6.4 Ethereum. That's over $3,000. Okay, if you earn this $3,000, we have to go back. That's like $3,000 over and over again on this slot. These 2 tenants, it will pay $3,000, $6,000 which is enough for you to activate the next slot. Okay, now you will not only end from here, you will end from here, end from here, end from here, end from here, all the way around, all over again for the rest of your life. That is the power of Forsage. On the X4, this is a beautiful structure. You also buy these buildings up to 12. It is recommended that you buy as many buildings, open as many slots. Okay, we are using buildings for better understanding as much as you can. The more you upgrade, the more you open more buildings, buy more buildings, the more the money you will make. In X4, the power of Forsage is called upgrade. Is upgrade. Okay, this first two slots here goes to your upline. The next C, D, and E, let's put it that way, goes to your account, and the last one here goes to your upline to recycle this spot for you. You can see these icons right here. Okay, that looks like people. This means that 24 persons have upgraded under this person to this slot here. They have upgraded the account to this slot. This person, this circle here means that this account have circled out, have paid this person 10 times. 0.4 Ethereum is over $290. Over $290 if I'm not mistaken. This person have made that money 10 times. That is basically what this means. This person has earned 0.8 Ethereum 8 times over and over and over again. You see, they have been emptied out, waiting for more entries, for more people to occupy these buildings, these boys quarters, and pay this person over and over. The same thing happens here. 51.2 Ethereum, this person will end this over and over and over again. Means that 51.2, 51.2, 51.2, 3 places will be paid to him for the rest of his life. That is massive. $19,000 at today's price times 3. You can begin to do your calculation right now about the power of doing Forsage. Okay, this is the reason why it is advisable to upgrade in this business, because when you upgrade, you earn more Ethereum. When you upgrade from one level to the other, you have earned more Ethereum because each level is twice the previous level, so you have enough money you've earned from here to get to the next level. When you do not upgrade, you see that this person missed this payment. Each time you see this icon on your account, it means that that payment was missed because this person has cycled out and they don't upgrade to the next level, so he will miss some payments because the person who upgrades, when earnings are coming, spillovers are coming, they will get to that person and he will enjoy the earnings. It's so beautiful. This is why you upgrade in Forsage. Okay, of course, we are earning, you should open your opportunities for more earnings. What is recommended in Forsage? What do you recommend? It is recommended that you start on X3 and X4 with at least 6 slots each. You come in on S3 and X4 with at least 6 slots on X3, 6 slots on X4 to position yourself for earnings in this business. All right. Passive investors will earn slowly, okay, because they're not actively recruiting. The risk is tiny. You can only lose 0.05 Ethereum, roughly $15. It's safe. We are protected by the smart contract in Forsage. No one can scam us. There are 2 ways to earn, via referrals and passively. This can generate a perpetual income for you. All payments are directly paid to us immediately. There are no deadlines, no expiration dates. Cycles out repeatedly, automatically. Okay. Now, this is an overview of how much you would make. When you get to slot 12 on both X3 and X4, you can make over $13,000. That's just an estimated value. $13,000 you can make when you get to level 12 and level 12 on X3 and X4. The minimum income from each partner who has reached 12 level of the slot. Isn't this beautiful? As a matter of fact, if you upgrade your account every week for 12 weeks, you would have attained this level. Every week for 12 weeks, you would have attained this level in Forsage. How do you make withdrawals in Forsage? People ask these questions every day. If you are faced with this question as well, if you're listening to me right now, you tell them in Forsage, it's not a website, okay? So the withdrawals are not manually requested. Forsage money goes into your wallet directly. We have to think differently with Forsage. It's unlike anything else that many network marketers have ever seen before. The following may surprise you. You do not have to request withdrawals in Forsage, okay? You do not have to wait for any program owner or manager to decide if and when you can have your requested withdrawals in Forsage. You do not have to wait to receive your money, period. Anything that you earn is instantly paid into your Ethereum wallet. It's like an automated payment into your bank account. That's the way Forsage works, an automated payment. This is why you need to use either MetaMask for PC users, those who use laptops, or Trust Wallet for those who use mobile phones. Okay, both of these wallets are coded to work seamlessly with the Forsage program and will instantly receive anything that you earn in Forsage system. Beautiful, right? Now we're going to see some results. Let's show you that Forsage actually works. People are enjoying it out there. This is a fun part. This is a fun part, guys. Proof. Show me some proof. Account 166105, $7,696 in Ethereum. You can see this account is on level 10 right now on the X4. You can see this person is recruiting, is doing this job massively, is activating his account, upgrading massively, and his earning are coming from all over the world. The same account right now, that same number is on $24,000 as we speak. That same account, 24,000 American dollars. So I mean, just begin to think about it, okay? As you're watching right now, think about it. Account 72376, $31,800. The same account today is $246,000. Account number 64, $329,000 is now on $791,000. These are people earning money and making massive income in Forsage. Account number 20920, $48,329. Account number 176,735, $82,200. Right now, that account is on $382,000 plus. ID 201, $200,000. ID 36053, $115,000. Right now, recently, we checked yesterday, is around $203,000. Okay, ID 20920, $60,000 has risen to $104,000. Now, if you do not find a way to make money while you sleep, this is not coming from me, it's coming from somebody you know, Warren Buffett. If you not find a way to make money while you're sleeping, the money is making money for you, you are going to work till you die. It's applicable to me. It's applicable to everybody. That's why we must look for something that makes money for us while we are sleeping. Okay, actively, every day, something is entering to your account while you're not doing anything. What does that take? That takes planting. That takes dedication. You need to tell yourself and wake up from slumber. There are people who have emotional limitations, who have a mindset that limits them. Okay, a mental limitation that tells them you cannot do this. All they see is obstacles. All they see is I cannot. That's all they see. But you know what? When you are fasting and praying, going to church every day, thinking things will change, you better wake up, because God, who you are praying to, worked. He worked at the beginning of this world. He worked. So he needs something in your hands that he's going to bless. And the earlier you get that thing ready, the better for you. So stop wasting your time. We will stop wasting our time. We will stop hoping and thinking that things are going to change when we are not doing anything about it. The opportunity to make money is in our hands today, right here before you, not tomorrow. Today is the future. you dreamt of 10 years ago? What will the future be 10 years from now? What will the future be 2 years from now? People woke up and took the opportunity in Forsage. Today, you see their accounts, they're earning millions of dollars. They're earning thousands of dollars. You can create passive income daily, helping others around the world, teaching them and telling them what you're doing. Spreading the word. It's just spreading the word. You have a shop where you sell things, okay? Of course, you need to tell people about your shop. If you don't, who will buy from you? Who will buy from you? Nobody will buy from you. You have a business, you don't know choice, you don't wake up early in the morning to go to your office. Who will take care? Who will patronize you? Nobody. So that same mentality is what you bring into everything you do. When you have something you are doing, do with the whole of your heart. Know that something is going to come out from there for you. If you apply a lazy attitude, I don't care attitude, you know what? I always pray one prayer one day, and every day, may our children, may our world after us, not ask us, where were you when they were doing it? When they were making the money, where were you? Because time flies. My brother, my sister, you're listening to my voice right now on Facebook, on YouTube, right here in the webinar, time flies. It's time for you to reach out to people and tell them about this opportunity that you have in Forsage. You gotta be angry about your current position. You have to be angry. There are those who are the elite, who the world looks up to. There is space up there for you and I. If you don't wake up today, years from now, you may still be where you are. That is the truth. It's time to earn Ethereum. It's rising in the market. It's time to earn Ethereum. It's still very early. It's not even up to $500 yet. It's still very early. All you need is a Trust wallet. If you're using an iPhone, if you're using an Android, if you're using an iPhone, you need Token Pocket Wallet. Then you need, of course, MetaMask for those who are PC users. Thank you for attending this webinar. Right now, if you were invited to this event, this is your first time, or your second time, or your third time, and somebody invited you, please go back to the person, contact him or her, get his or her referral link, affiliate link to join Forsage. Okay, but if you came to the webinar, you're a member of our platform, you've not signed up, this is our URL right here. Just go to this URL, forsage.io/I/Z7HMV. You can write it down. Make sure you see this ID on your screen when you are signing up. You can also join us on Telegram, our Telegram group. That's our link right there. You can join us and we enjoy the time together. So right now we're going to entertain your questions. Just raise your hand, tap on your screen. You see where you're going to raise your hand so that we can unmute you right here and you can ask your questions from where you are. So we are ready to entertain your questions right now. If you are watching on Facebook, the link to this webinar is right there. You can click it on the description of our live stream and you'll be able to join the event right away. Okay. So we'll take some moment to entertain any question, if there is any. And of course, when you're coming to the event, invite people. Send the webinar link to your contact. Let them join you in the event. Let them come and learn this opportunity for themselves. It's here to help and bless everybody. If you don't spread the love, you don't spread the word out there, it means you don't have love in your heart. So let people know that there's something going on. Something good is going on, guys. They need to be here. We need to hear from them. We need to see them and teach them how the business works. Okay? If you're on Facebook, you're watching on YouTube. When this video is uploaded, please, our contact is all over the internet. You can contact us on Facebook, chat with us, send us a message on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and we'll be there to assist you. If you have any question in our group, just ask. Somebody will be there to give you support as well. Okay? So while we wait for some questions, let's wait for some hands to be raised. Let's see if we can entertain some questions. Then before we call it a night. Hello.
Hello?
Yeah, good evening. Where you are is a bit
Hello, good
noisy.
evening.
It's a bit noisy in the background. Can you lower the audio there, please?
But I'm not at home right now.
If you can step away from there, please, a bit, so we can.
Yeah. I already left.
Okay, I think it's better now. All right.
So yeah. I think it was a wonderful webinar, you know.
Okay. Thank you.
The challenge there now is people coming here. You know, we need more people to just come in. You know, we shouldn't just from the Facebook live. But we still need more people. We just need more people to just come on board. You know, there are people outside there who are looking for this great opportunity. You know, and I believe they will surely turn up.
Which is very true. Okay, thank you.
I'm trusting God on that. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much for the comment. We appreciate that. Yes, that's the reason where we are here every day, every night, 8 p.m. Nigerian and UK time is the time, and we are ready to teach people about this business and bring them into it because it is life-changing, and anyone who has a taste of this opportunity never regrets it. There are testimonies everywhere. Yesterday, a member of Forsage bought a car. Okay, very nice, beautiful car with her earnings from this business. Another member bought. Let me show you. I think I need to show you this. You need to see it live. Another member bought herself, I think, a house. Worth 1.3 million naira. That was huge. Okay, that was big. So that was an amazing testimony out there. I want to show you something. Okay, let me show you the website. This is a website we set up for Forsage members where they can easily get information and sign up for our webinars. So this URL right here, you should send it to your contacts as well. Okay, encourage them to come to the meetings. When they come to this website, they're going to find testimonies. Our vision is to alleviate poverty through Forsage Ethereum smart contract by equipping prospects on the Forsage earning opportunities to create wealth and build the community of prosperous people. This is our vision here, why we joined this opportunity. As you can see your video about Forsage, you read testimonies about them, how the program works. Okay, here they can register for this event. Okay, once they click these buttons here, they can register for this event and they will receive an email with the event link. Okay, this woman right here, okay, she earned thousands of dollars. She got a house worth 1.3 million recently in an apartment. So it was huge. It was huge. These are testimonies you see on Forsage, and these are live earnings here. Live earnings of people making money, $115,000, $8,000 Ethereum, $60,000, $201,000. As a matter of fact, you see our profile right here. Everything is there. Our contact information and everything is here. So please direct people to this website. Give them this link. Okay, when they come here, they can register. They can click live webinar here. They will be directed to where they will sign up for our event as well. From here, this tab here leads them to our Telegram group. So we have everything here structured out for their own benefit. Okay. Now I need to show you one account before we go. This account is reading over $1 million. As a matter of fact, this is something you should take to your contact. Okay, this video will be uploaded on our YouTube channel. Then you will see, you'll be able to send to your contact. Now you see this account here, 8679 is $1.3 million. 1.3, you can look through the accounts. This investor here finished everything. As a matter of fact, upgraded up to stock 12. You can see the massive earnings here. He has circled this over 117 times, 167 times, have earned 0 point something Ethereum, all here, 12 point something Ethereum 6 times, 6.4 Ethereum 10 times, 3.2 Ethereum 15 times. You can see the massive money this person is making. This is the reason why you and I must wake up and tell people, let it sink into people what we have here that they are missing. That they are missing. And if you who is listening to me right now, you haven't taken this step to join Forsage big time, give it your best, then you have not even started. You have not even started. We can see that it's legitimate and everything is good. So we thank you very much for attending today's event. Tomorrow is another time, 8 p.m. We'll be here, God willing, for another session. So don't come alone. Bring your friends along. On all your Facebook walls, share our links, invite people, and let them join this event and enjoy what you're enjoying today. So thank you, and God bless you, and good night.